English Speaking Series Day 3. Welcome to Day 3. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Day 3 of our English Speaking Series. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English confidently. Let's begin. Introduce yourself. Let's introduce yourself in English. 5 simple sentences. Hello, my name is Zahreen. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. I like reading books and learning English. My dream is to speak English fluently. The words fluently means ravangi se. Speaking tip: smile while speaking. That is the biggest secret when you are speaking. And don't worry about mistakes. Make mistakes, and never afraid from making mistakes. Confidence is more important than perfection. Just confidence. और बिलीव करिए अगर आप अपने कॉन्फिडेंस के अंदर हैं, नो वन कैन फाइंड यूर मिस्टेक्स. नो वन कैन बी एबल टू फाइंड यूर मिस्टेक्स. Homework. Introduce yourself in English for 1 minute in front of a mirror. This is a technique and you must follow these techniques every day. Repeat it 3 times and practice every day to improve. Excellent work. You are improving every day. If you enjoy this lesson, please like, share and subscribe. I shall see you in day 4 with another exciting English speaking lesson. Keep practicing and keep growing. Be sure to watch day 1, day 2, day 3 as well. These lessons will help you improve your English step by step and you will see great improvement in your speaking skill. These videos are specially designed to benefit you. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay connected with us for more easy to learn English videos. Keep learning, keep growing and I shall see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.